This trick today, I learned from a cleaning lady. She has revealed to me the secret to having my house smell like rich house, and you will have the house smelling good for many days. It is very simple, and to start our tip today, let's add coarse salt in a bowl. We will put until almost complete the container, as I am doing now. After discovering this trick, my house smells like a rich man's house. This mix has improved every room in my house. Surely you will be surprised by the result, and all your visits will ask you, what is the secret of a fully fragrant house? This trick is for all environments of the house. I use it myself in the kitchen, in the office, and what I like most is the bathroom. Now I will add 3 tablespoons of alcohol. Alcohol is responsible for the smell to spread more easily and also frightens insects. And before I forget, tell me which city is watching us, so I can send you a big hug. Today's hug goes to Lindsay Scott from Canada. I'm glad you're enjoying our tips. After mixing, we will add the fabric softener. We will put and mix until the salt is covered. The fabric softener is who will give the pleasant smell that your home needs. You can also vary the aroma of the softener to leave each environment with a different and unforgettable perfume. For your visits, my house is always ready to receive visitors with. This totally simple mixture surprises everyone. My children love it. The ideal amount for fabric softener is just 2 lids. It's enough to give your home the smell it needs. This advice will surprise them, and at least 30 days. And the aroma in your home will be charming to everyone, and will not worry about the bad smells again. Even smells like the urine of dogs and cats will no longer be noticed in your home. After adding our tip, let's mix it up one last time. We're also going to use a lime. Lime is the second biggest secret in this recipe. Let's squeeze the 2 halves until we get all the liquid out. You can repeat the recipe and distribute it in all rooms. In my house, I have a different one in each room. Then let's mix it again. Tell me if you've done any tips using fabric softener and coarse salt. Now let's use cloves. That will help spread the smell of our mixture. We can put a lot. Just the simple fact of joining some carnations in some corner of the house already improves the smell in any environment. In this mixture with the fabric softener, the smell becomes simply perfect. I can distribute enough above our mix that the smell is impressive. Thank you for watching this video so far. I hope you like it, and tell me what was the result when doing in your home. Thank you for watching this video so far. See you in the next video. Bye.